Hospitals across the country are being stretched thin as more patients are being treated for COVID-19. As of today, Baystate Health reporting 78 patients in its system, more than 3.5 times as many patients as we saw this time last year.
Western Mass News reporter Lexi Oliver is digging deeper to show you the most recent trends. She joins us live in studio with more on what she found. Lexi?
Chris and Jordan, doctors say it's simple. They say the best way to prevent hospitalizations is to get vaccinated.
It's obviously very concerning.
Infectious disease doctor for Baystate Health, Dr. Daniel Skees, telling Western Mass News hospitals are seeing a fourth wave of COVID-19 that seems to be getting worse by the day.
It's disconcerting for the patients, and most of all the families, as well as the staff. You know, people have been working very hard for a long time, and it's hard to not see the end in sight.
Take a look at this. As of Wednesday, Baystate Health was treating 84 patients hospitalized with COVID-19. Compare that to August 25th of 2020. Baystate was only treating 17 patients, nearly 5 times less. Nationally, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services says that number was more than 100,000 on Wednesday. That's more than double the nearly 49,000 in the hospital on the same day last year. Dr. Ski says that number is primarily made up of unvaccinated people.
Most of the cases are unvaccinated patients, and those are most people who end up in the hospital.
Officials say COVID-19 hospitalizations have grown by 10% across the country in the past week alone. Currently, 48.3% of the country is still not fully vaccinated. Here in the Baystate, that number is only 36.5%, but health experts say it's still not enough.
Everyone should definitely get the vaccine, whether they've had COVID or not, still need the vaccine. And of course, to prevent COVID, we need to keep apart, especially indoors, and we need to still wear masks.
Something local residents agree with. We think that because we are vaccinated, we're immune to the virus, but no, they told us that we need to continue taking care of ourselves. Dr. Skees also says the patients admitted to the hospital are generally younger than what we saw in earlier waves. He says it's important that people continue to use common sense and look out for each other. Live in studio, Lexi Oliver, Western Mass News.